Hey guys, and welcome to week 7 of the One Room Challenge. Whew, it is coming in fast, guys. I am not ready yet, but I hope to be done. We've done all the major things, so there's some projects that I was really hoping to finish before the 8 weeks was up that I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get some of the things that I've ordered back in time. But I will keep you guys posted. But today we're going shopping. That is really cool. There's so many fun things in here. Okay, so Owen and I are doing a little antiquing right now. We're trying to find end tables for look at that. Some end tables for our living room, our den, and maybe a few little accessories for the bookcase. So we're gonna see what we can find. I love coming to antique malls. All the different booths. Okay, we don't have time to do albums today.
No albums.
Oh, look at all these clothes. Huge.
Those are so
Look at this dress. Oh my gosh.
Is that a bone saw?
High school Molly would be going crazy over this whole section. 40-year-old Molly couldn't get her big toe into him. Okay, so I found 2 matching end tables. They have kind of like the little leather inlays. I don't know, does this part lift up? No, but it has a drawer. And then it has a matching coffee table. It has a little drawer. There's the leather and the little inlay. That's kind of cute. Okay, they also have these end tables. They have a drawer. I like those. Okay, so for anybody that needs a place to keep their socks, to make their sock rag, here we go. Lost Socks, Seeking Soulmates. Okay, we also have this little end table. There's a matching one on the other side. I think that's $50 each. Just a little bit of a scratch on it. Might be too plain. Okay. That is terrifying. That is so scary. I'm gonna get this and put it in your room.
No.
It's gonna be your artwork.
Bye.
These little end tables. They are cute. Let's see. End table set of 2, $109.95. These are kind of cute. Hey Elvis. Alright, I'll send these to Dad and see what he thinks.
I'm not sitting.
Look how cute this chair is.
I'll be back.
Got the cane on the side.
Everything is 20% off.
Ah, this is $120 and 20% off. Super cute. Okay. Look at these. Huh. What does it say? Mid-century modern end tables. Oh, $125 each. I think they're a little more than what I was wanting to spend. I have this like kind of tile thing on each one. Like that.
Oh man.
Okay, so here is the end table out in the open. The guy was awesome. He said he would do $185 for the pair. So it's got a little drawer, and of course there's a buffet that coordinates, but I don't think we have to have that one. I think this will work. So one step closer to finishing the room. So here is the pair of end tables. Please excuse the water hose that's running underneath them. We're about to clean these up a little bit before we bring them inside, but this ended up being the find of the century. Well, at least the find for today. Very excited. Originally, the guy was asking $125 each, and thankfully he was there and came and saw us looking at it and gave us both of them for $185. So I'm really excited. So if you guys are ever in the Memphis area, you need to make sure that you go check out the Antique Gallery. I kind of hate letting everyone know how amazing this place is because, well, now you all are going to know where I go get all of my great finds, but definitely check them out. Great deals, amazing finds. Okay guys, well that is it for week 7. I got a couple of other projects that I'm working on, but I really want to hold on to those and not give too many details away because the big reveal is Thursday. So I hope you guys are following along on Instagram. I'm going to be sharing some progress on my stories, but also Thursday is the final reveal. So make sure, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload a video. Guys, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. And I'll see y'all next time.